Proteins. These fascinating molecules are the cornerstone of biological processes. They're the unsung heroes of the universe, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep life going. These tiny molecular machines power everything in our cells and in all living things. They are involved in nearly every function within a living organism. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, proteins are essential for life itself. They are found in every cell and are vital for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Imagine a microscopic world of intricate structures, each with a specific shape and function. This is the fascinating realm of proteins, where each molecule plays a unique role. That's the world of proteins. They are the workhorses of the cell, performing a variety of tasks that are crucial for survival. These complex molecules are made up of chains of amino acids, folded into unique three-dimensional shapes. Each chain can contain hundreds or even thousands of amino acids linked together in a precise sequence. It's this shape that determines a protein's function. The folding process is incredibly complex and precise, and even a small error can lead to a malfunctioning protein. Think of it like a key fitting into a lock. The shape of the protein must match perfectly with its target to perform its function correctly. The wrong shape and the protein won't work. Misfolded proteins can lead to diseases and other health issues, highlighting the importance of proper protein folding. Understanding the shape of proteins is crucial for scientists. By studying these structures, researchers can gain insights into how proteins work and how they can be manipulated for various applications. It allows us to understand how life works at its most fundamental level. This knowledge is essential for developing new treatments for diseases, creating more efficient enzymes for industrial processes, and even designing new materials. This knowledge is the key to unlocking new solutions for some of humanity's greatest challenges. By harnessing the power of proteins, we can address issues ranging from health and medicine to environmental sustainability and beyond. For decades, determining the three-dimensional structure of a protein was a daunting task. Scientists around the world dedicated countless hours to this intricate challenge, often feeling like they were navigating an endless maze. It was like trying to solve a complex three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle without knowing what the final picture should look like. Each piece was a mystery, and the stakes were incredibly high. Traditional methods like X-ray crystallography and nuclear magnetic resonance were time-consuming and expensive. These techniques required not only sophisticated equipment but also a deep well of patience and perseverance. Imagine spending years and millions of dollars to determine the structure of just one protein. The process was painstakingly slow, often leading to frustration and exhaustion among researchers. That was the reality for scientists. The complexity of the task often left them feeling overwhelmed, yet they pressed on, driven by the hope of groundbreaking discoveries. This bottleneck in protein structure determination limited our ability to understand diseases, develop new drugs, and engineer new materials. The potential for scientific advancement was immense, but the hurdles were equally significant. The universe, however, often surprises us. Just when it seemed like the puzzle was unsolvable, a breakthrough emerged from an unexpected field. Just when the puzzle seemed impossible to solve, a new player emerged from the world of artificial intelligence. Its name, AlphaFold. This revolutionary technology promised to change the game, offering new hope and possibilities for scientists worldwide. In the heart of London, nestled among the bustling streets and historic landmarks, a team of brilliant minds at DeepMind developed AlphaFold, a groundbreaking innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. This revolutionary artificial intelligence system is changing the way we understand proteins, the building blocks of life. Imagine a supercomputer that can predict the three-dimensional structure of a protein with remarkable accuracy, and in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. That's AlphaFold. Using a technique called deep learning, AlphaFold was trained on a massive dataset of known protein structures, learning from thousands of examples to perfect its predictions. Like a detective solving a complex case, AlphaFold uses this vast information to predict the shape of new proteins, piecing together clues from its extensive training. Its predictions are so accurate that they often rival experimental methods, which can be time-consuming and costly. This groundbreaking technology has opened up a new era in biology, enabling scientists to explore previously uncharted territories. With AlphaFold, we can now explore the protein universe like never before, unlocking secrets that were once hidden in the intricate folds of these essential molecules. The implications of this technology are vast, from understanding diseases at a molecular level to designing new drugs and therapies. By accurately predicting protein structures, AlphaFold is paving the way for advancements in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, the possibilities seem endless. The AI detective of the protein world is here, and it's transforming our understanding of life itself. Imagine a world where we can develop new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. AlphaFold is making this vision a reality. By predicting the structure of proteins involved in diseases, scientists can design drugs that specifically target these proteins. This precision medicine approach promises to revolutionize healthcare. Take, for example, the fight against cancer. AlphaFold is helping scientists understand the structure of proteins involved in tumor growth. This knowledge is crucial for developing new cancer drugs that are more effective and have fewer side effects. But AlphaFold's impact goes beyond drug discovery. It's also helping us understand and combat infectious diseases like never before. A green revolution, AlphaFold, and the future of food. The challenges facing our planet are immense. Climate change, food security, and environmental degradation demand urgent solutions. And once again, proteins hold the key. AlphaFold is poised to play a crucial role in addressing these global challenges. Imagine engineering crops that are more resistant to drought and pests, or developing new biofuels that reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. AlphaFold can help us achieve these goals by enabling us to design new proteins with specific functions. The possibilities are endless. With AlphaFold, we have the potential to create a more sustainable and abundant future for all. Beyond imagination, unlocking the secrets of life itself. The universe is filled with mysteries, but with AlphaFold, we are one step closer to unraveling the secrets of life itself. By understanding the structure and function of proteins, we can gain a deeper understanding of how life evolved and how it works. Imagine exploring the protein universe, discovering new enzymes that can break down plastic waste, or unlocking the secrets of aging. AlphaFold is not just a tool for scientists, it's a key that unlocks our imagination. The quest for knowledge is never-ending, and with AlphaFold, we have a powerful new tool to guide us on this incredible journey of discovery. The ethical frontier, navigating the power of AlphaFold. With great power comes great responsibility. AlphaFold's ability to predict protein structures raises important ethical considerations. As with any powerful technology, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically. We must ensure that AlphaFold's benefits are accessible to all, not just a select few. We must also be mindful of potential risks, such as the creation of harmful proteins or the misuse of this technology for malicious purposes. Open dialogue and collaboration between scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are essential to ensure that AlphaFold is used for the betterment of humanity. A call to action, embracing the promise of protein engineering. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. AlphaFold has given us an unprecedented opportunity to shape the future of healthcare, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. This is a call to action for scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, and policymakers to embrace the promise of protein engineering. Together, we can harness the power of AlphaFold to solve global challenges and create a better future for all. The time for action is now. Let's seize this moment and create a future worthy of our children and grandchildren. A future transformed. AlphaFold's legacy. Imagine a world without disease where food is abundant and the environment is thriving. This is the future that AlphaFold can help us create. Its legacy will be measured not just in scientific breakthroughs but in the lives saved, the suffering alleviated, and the planet restored. AlphaFold is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It's a reminder that even the most complex challenges can be overcome when we dare to dream big and work together. The journey ahead is long, but the possibilities are endless. Let's embrace the future with courage, curiosity, and a shared commitment to creating a brighter tomorrow.